13 September 2020. Welcome to another episode of Audio News, a new initiative taken by We4U to provide news in audio format for visually impaired. So let's begin. The World First Aid Day is observed on second Saturday of September every year to create awareness about the importance of first aid in preventing injuries and saving lives. The World First Aid Day 2020 was observed on 12th September. Next. The 13th edition of Aero India 21 is scheduled to be held at Air Force Station, Yelahanka, Bengaluru, Karnataka from 3 to 7 February 2021. Raksha Mantri Shri Rajnath Singh has launched the website for Aero India 2021. Aero India is Asia's largest air show and aviation exhibition held biennially in Bengaluru since 1996. The website can be accessed at aeroindia.gov.in. Next. Bakul aims to bridge digital divide and handphones or laptops to needy kids. Bakul Foundation has already identified some slum children who come to Bakul libraries in Bhubaneswar, children in shelter homes in Bhubaneswar and Cuttack where the volunteers have been working, and slums in Paradeep where a partner NGO is present. Next. Odisha bags institutional leader and regulatory change championship tags in state startup rankings 2019. The Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, that is DPIIT, released the second edition of State Startup Ranking 2019 on Friday, adding a feather to its entrepreneurial cap. Odisha bagged a position among other states in the leaders category for its clear vision for the startup initiatives and measurable goals for the startup community. Next. Indira Gandhi International Airport in the capital has become the first airport in the country to start a COVID-19 testing facility. Passengers who land from overseas at the international terminal can opt to get tested for coronavirus. If a person tests negative at the airport, he or she will be exempted from mandatory institutional quarantine, officials said. Next. The Punjab Energy Development Agency, that is PEDA, in association with the Government of Punjab, is soon coming up with an alternative for paddy stubble utilization. Stubble burning is one of the biggest problems in North India. To curb this, the Punjab government's own agency, PEDA, is playing a stellar role in weeding out the problem indigenously. Next. Recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi took part in a program called Griha Pravesh. The program was organized under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. The program fulfills the Modi government agenda for housing for all by 2022. The program was live telecasted in 16,440 gram panchayats and 26,548 villages. About 1,25 people in total registered to listen to this program. Next. DCGI, Drug Controller General of India, directs Serum Institute to suspend new recruitment in Phase 2, 3 COVID-19 vaccine trials. Next. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Sunday inaugurated an LPG pipeline project and bottling plants in the pole-bound Bihar via video conferencing. The projects include the 193-kilometer long Durgapur-Banka section of the 679-kilometer long Paradip-Haldia-Durgapur LPG pipeline augmentation project and two LPG bottling plants built by the state-owned Indian Oil Corp, that is IOC. The pipeline of the 14-inch diameter passes through West Bengal, Jharkhand and Bihar. So with this, we will conclude our episode for today. Thank you all.